This land used to be mainly used for cutting firewood. I bought it to protect it, regenerate it, and slowly turn it into a small off-grid camp. Not to build over it, but to live here while keeping it as natural as possible. And every video is one step of the journey. So today I'm gonna cut all the vegetation here because spring is arrived and there are a lot of spiky bushes that are growing. So I have to remove all these branches of wood before that they grow too much, because otherwise if I wait too much they will overgrow and this work it will be so much more difficult. And anyway, it's a good thing to open also a new space. So let's start. If you watched video number 4, you may remember that I had to cut down a few trees for safety reasons. It wasn't something random. Some of them were in areas where they could become dangerous, especially because in the future people, campers and volunteers will move around here. The problem is that after that work, I still hadn't cleaned everything up. And if you wait too long here, nature doesn't wait for you. It takes everything back. The idea is always the same. I don't want to urbanize the forest. I just want to make it livable, while keeping it as natural as possible. So guys, I have done quite a lot. Obviously I didn't expect to do everything. So for today I've done more or less all the big chunk of wood, and then maybe in another 2-3 days I will do the rest to have like a proper open space. So yeah, let's see you tomorrow. So as you can see right now, there are no more big chunk of wood here on the ground. So I can start with a brush cutter to cut all the spiky bushes and everything that there is in the surface here to host, for example, a new van or a new camper of the volunteer or of my friends that maybe are coming sometimes. So yeah, let's start. And for protection, I bought this. I'm using a battery-powered electrical brush cutter, and it's honestly surprising me. It cuts better than I expected, and I can recharge the batteries with the solar system in my camper, so no fuel, less noise, and also a more eco-friendly choice. So I show you the result. I just have to take off this stump here, but for the other part it's perfect. So there is the right space here, and now we have to clean also this area. That is the area on the left of my camper van. So all of this. One important thing is that I don't want to clean everything like a perfect garden. The idea is just to open some path and a few spots for campers, while leaving the rest as natural as possible. Yes, I need more space, but I don't want to remove the wild feeling of this place. So, all the battery of the brush cutter are gone, so I can't finish today all that part, but it's fine because anyway I open a lot here and I'm really happy about it. And now look, it's finally empty. So here, for example, it's a very big park for a camper, and also here, you see. So yes. So today I will continue to clean the space behind me. The goal, as ever, is to clean all the vegetation, the little bushes that are here on the land, to make some more space to host people in the future with their camper van. So I'm gonna clean a little bit this area here, and then I will clean all this area here. So yeah, let's do it. This is probably the least romantic part of the project. Sweat, brambles, dust and branches to move around. But it's also the part that makes everything else possible. Before building, organizing and hosting anyone, you need to create space. And this space doesn't appear by itself. You have to earn it one piece at a time. So I have done this area here, and also here. So yeah, I open so much more space now. Now I start to clean another area. So this one, we are really close to the gate here, so I show you. So yeah, we are really close to the gate. As you can see from this side, there is a lot of vegetation, but for the moment this one I will keep it. Instead, this part here, there are a lot of brambles, bushes, and I want to clear also this area because it can become a really good area to park your car. For example, I have a lot of friends that when they are coming here to having some time together, they don't know where to park, and this area is perfect because it's close to the gate, and I don't know also what to do with this area. There are no big tree. So yeah, as last things for this video, I will clean this area. I'm done, guys. So now the surface here is completely wet. It was raining until an hour ago. So yeah. And this is the result. It's not a perfect garden, and I don't want it to be. But now this area is cleaner, more open, and much more usable than before. There is still a lot of work ahead, but today the base camp feels a little bit bigger. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to know more about this project, please subscribe to the channel, leave me a like if you like this video, and if you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee on a platform, Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Ciao!